Welcome, in front of me is TCL 605, and in this video I will show you what to do if your device doesn't detect your SIM card. So first of all, you can try to reinsert your SIM card. To do that, grab your smartphone and on the left edge of your device, carefully open the SIM card holder like this. Take the SIM card out and then check if your SIM card is inserted in such way. The way I hold it. Okay, and if you want to make sure, you can also replace your SIM card into a different slot and then reinsert it into the smartphone like this. Again, carefully. You can also wipe your SIM cards carefully using a dry towel if you want. Maybe this will help. And now let's check. Well, as you can see, my phone detects the SIM card in both slots, so this shouldn't be a problem. And if your device still doesn't want to detect the SIM card, well, first of all, before you proceed, try this SIM card in another phone. Try to insert it into another phone and see if it recognizes this SIM card. And if it does, then maybe you have a software, outdated software issue on your smartphone. In such case, go to settings, and in settings, select the system settings, then go to system update and check if your device has any updates to install. As you can see, mine doesn't, but in case you do have some updates, then take your time and install them, and this might just fix your problem. And the last thing that you can do is to go into the reset options, again in the system menu, and then select reset mobile network settings. Click reset settings, and you can also reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings if you want, and then check if this helps. And in case this doesn't help, then maybe contact your carrier and check for outages. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.